Hi guys, this is part of SelfMBA and Startup MBA. This is video number 3, 4P of marketing. What is this 4P of marketing? Let's learn the basics of business marketing. In this video, you're going to learn what is marketing, what is 4P of marketing, meaning of marketing mix, 7 tools of integrated marketing communication IMC, what is the importance of 4 Ps of marketing, 4P versus 7P, and lot more you're going to learn in this video. Let's get started. Firstly, let's see what is marketing. See, marketing is a process by which companies can create, communicate, and deliver the value of their product to their target customers, right? Target customers. So marketing is a process of getting people interested in your company's product or service. Whatever the product or service you have, people should be interested in it. That is what marketing does. So it is the action of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertising. So it's about promoting your product or service, whatever you're offering. It also includes market research and advertising. That is marketing. So what are those 4P of marketing? A good marketing strategy involves efficient use of these 4 elements to sell product or service. What are they? First one is product or a service that you want to sell. Second is price. What price are you going to sell? Third is place, the geographical location that you're going to sell, and promotion activities. So this is a concept. This 4P of marketing is a concept that has been since 1950s. So why is it so famous? Let's figure out. So what do we mean by marketing mix? See, marketing mix is defined as set of tools or tactics adopted to promote a product or service in the market. So in order to sell it, right? So it is often referred to as the integration of 4 Ps of marketing. See, Neil Borden popularized the idea of marketing mix and the concept that would later be known primarily as 4 Ps in 1950. At the time, the concept was first coined. The marketing mix helped companies that point of time, but today the internet has helped business achieve greater level of integration between business and consumers, also to overcome some of the barriers. So out of 4 Ps, the first one is the product in marketing, right? Product in marketing mix refers to the good or service produced to serve the consumer of the company. So a product can be tangible in the form of any finished good or intangible in the form of any service that your company is offering. That is product. See, product is very important for you to be successful. So marketeers need to understand the life cycle of the product. Business executives need to have a plan for dealing with products at every stage in the product life cycle. So executives should know the plan, marketers should understand the product well, right? The type of product also partially dictates how much businesses can charge for it, where they should place it, how they should promote it in the marketplace. So product becomes a very important component for marketeers. So second of 4 Ps are price. So price in marketing. So this price in marketing mix refers to the value we pay or a consumer pay in exchange for the product or services offered by a company, right? That is a value that you pay for the product that is offered by a company. So how do you price a product? How do you decide what is a price that should be launched for this particular product or any product that you offer? So pricing of a product plays an important role in determining the success of the company. Several factors will impact, like competitors' price, what are the discount you want to offer, terms of the sales, many other criteria will impact how do you decide the price of your product. All these factors are considered before deciding on the price of a goods or a service that you are offering. Price is so important that even a little fluctuation in the price can cause big impact on the companies. So that is why you should keep a check on the price of the product. The company should always keep a watch on the price and competitor price. If your price is overpriced, product won't sell. Or if it is underpriced, that does not attract the customers, because customer will think that maybe this product is not good, that is why it is underpriced, right? So a price of a product can heavily impact its demand in the market. Very, very important. One of the P in marketing is price. Third one is a place. See, in marketing mix, the place refers to the geographical location. So in which your company wants to sell its product or provide the service. What is the location where you want to sell your product is a very important key decision to be made. You cannot simply start from everywhere. You need to narrow down to the place first where you want to launch. You must have a clear GTM, go to the market. The go to market plan, the GTM should be really ready before you launch the product in any place. Location is one of the most important parts of marketing strategy. Hope you agree with that. See, nowadays, when everything is shifting towards digital platforms, it becomes necessary for firms to place them on these digital platforms and leverage the digital marketing. You must consider, even if you are selling offline or direct to consumer, you must have to go online and make use of digital marketing as an option and mandatory to really explore digital marketing. That is one of the place. Online is a place where you can market and attract customers. What is the fourth parameter? It is promotion in marketing, right? So promotion in the marketing mix refers to advertising, the communication that aims at promoting a product or activity or a brand among the target customers, right? In order to drive sales and involves both buyer and seller, this communication is very crucial. How do you advertise and communicate to your target customer? However, the promotion can also aim at building the reputation of organization rather than just increasing sales. A promotion or advertising is not just for the product, it also builds the reputation of your company. So you know the importance of promotion. It is an essential component of marketing mix, because without communicating about your product, a company cannot attract customers. So promotion or the advertisement is very, very crucial. While talking about promotions, you must know 7 tools of integrated marketing communication, IMC, of your company. If you are a startup, you want to build your promotion, you must know these 7 tools of IMC. First one, advertising. Second, public relations. Third, digital marketing. Fourth one, direct selling. Fifth, personal selling. Sixth one, sales promotion. And seventh one, event marketing. All these 7 tools of integrated marketing communication is very critical for your company's success. So you know the importance of promotion. It is an essential component of marketing mix, because without communicating about a product, a company cannot attract customers. You need to have a real good mix of integrated marketing communication to have your buying customers, to attract and retain the buying customers for a long time. That is when you can become very profitable in your business. Now let's see what are the importance of 4 P's of marketing. After knowing what are the 4 P's, let's see the importance of 4 P's. First one is better sales itself. The more enhanced and customer satisfaction, the better market scale that you do, more product sales would be boosted through the 4 P's. You can increase your sales, get great revenue if you do your 4 P's properly. Second, you can create a great brand, loyalty and the value. With a focus of primarily being on the needs and requirements of the consumers, as well as ensuring their satisfaction, customer satisfaction, the product earns the loyalty and trust of the consumer through these 4 P's. So what is the next importance of 4P? Making decision making easier. This makes your decision making easier. Imagine the situation where you are targeting millennials or Generation Z as your target generation, TG. The 4 P's guides you, making your decision easier on where to sell, what to sell, how to promote. Correct? Next one is strength in synergy. If the 4P of marketing once combined properly and generate coordination, it offers proper pitch to the product, becoming very, very powerful force together as opposed to individually. Correct? Do you agree with us? Let us know your feedback in our comment box. So, what is 7P? What are the other 3 P's? People, process, physical records. See, people, the team that delivers the product and energy of the team that sells or markets the product or service, this matters a lot, right? That is the 5th P. Process, the way product marketing, how you sell, customer feedback, how it is collected, payment systems, distribution methods, all these procedures, and then physical records, right? How do you maintain these records? And all these additional 3 P's becomes most crucial for your customer relationship management and satisfaction. That is how 7 P's are going to drive your business success. So friends, what you learned in this video, you learned what is marketing, what are the 4 P's of marketing, meaning of marketing mix. You learned 7 tools of integrated marketing communication, IMC. You learned importance of 4 P's. You also saw 4 P's versus additional 3 more P's of marketing, that is total 7 P's that recently in news, and a lot more that you learned in this video. Hope you like this, friends. Please like our videos and then subscribe. Help us to make more meaningful videos to you. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, and forward. Thank you.